Enghouse VideoConf honest review. Watch before using. Most people get video conferencing tools wrong. They assume all platforms are the same. The surprising truth about Enghouse VideoConf is that it's a professional-grade solution designed for businesses with advanced needs, and you won't believe how robust its features are. Here's how it works. Enghouse VideoConf provides secure video and audio conferencing, screen sharing, virtual meeting rooms, and integration with enterprise communication systems. It supports high participant counts and includes administrative controls for moderators and IT managers. For example, a company hosting a global training session can run a meeting with hundreds of participants, use breakout rooms, and record sessions for later review. Most people get this wrong. They assume all conferencing tools focus on casual calls, but Enghouse prioritizes reliability, security, and scalability for business environments. Additional features include encryption, multi-device support, interactive polls, and reporting dashboards. Users praise the clarity of video, stability of large calls, and enterprise-grade security. However, there are considerations. It may be more complex than casual tools like Zoom or Google Meet, and setup can require IT support. Most people assume a simple interface is enough. Businesses with compliance and security requirements need the depth Enghouse provides. In conclusion, Enghouse VideoConf is perfect for enterprises, training sessions, and high-security business meetings that need reliability, scale, and administrative control. Subscribe for more honest reviews of communication and enterprise software.